Today, we are living in the world where digital marketing is dominating business more than ever before. Every day, a million of businesses compete online for attention, customer, and growth. The truth is simple. If your brand is not growing online, you are already falling behind. Digital marketing is no longer optional. It is the engine that drives visibility, credibility, and real business growth. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is SIDIBE Diadie, a digital marketing specialist. By following me, I will be sharing digital marketing tips for growing online and using powerful strategy. You will learn search engine optimization, search engine marketing, Google Analytics, data driving, email marketing, social media marketing, a copywriting style, sales strategy, and you will learn also how to build a website with WordPress and branding strategy that turn attention into real customer. On this content, I'll be sharing practical tips, strategy, and insight that will help your brand grow online. You will learn how to optimize your social media channel and understand how platform algorithms work and create relevant content that can attract the people to watch your video. So if you really want to master digital marketing and build a strong online business, I recommend you to follow me and join me on this journey. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care, guys.